prostate gland is not known in the egg-laying mammals, the monotremes, and seems to have evolved in the early therian mammals, the live-bearing mammals, where it is widely distributed. Most placental mammals possess a prostate gland, with the exception of edentates like anteaters and some carnivores. In humans, the prostate gland is the size of a walnut and is inferior to the bladder. The urethra passes through it. This portion is known as the prostatic urethra, and the vas deferens expands to form the ejaculatory duct, which fuses with the urethra within the prostate gland. And so that it is within the prostate gland that the urethra becomes both a urinary and reproductive structure. Prostate glands are exocrine glands. Their glandular epithelium is intermediate between the more elongate tubular forms and the rounder alveolar forms, and are therefore called tubulo-alveolar. And because their ducts are branched, they are classified as compound tubulo-alveolar ducts. About 20 to 30 of these compound tubulo-alveolar glands empty into the ejaculatory ducts, and there may be two or several ejaculatory ducts which empty into the urethra. The glandular epithelia are separated by dense connective tissue and smooth muscle, and these smooth muscle cells can contract to help expel the prostatic fluid. The secretions of prostate glands compose almost a third of the volume of semen. The solution is slightly alkaline and thus helps to neutralize the vaginal acid. It contains simple sugars which nourish the swimming sperm. It contains a number of proteins composing about 1% of prostatic secretions. These proteins serve as enzymes and may be involved in both the coagulation of semen and then the breakdown of coagulated proteins. In some species, such as rodents and bats, this coagulation can actually result in a mating plug, which plugs the vagina, preventing other males from mating with a female. There can be local hormones derived from fatty acids known as prostaglandins. Although these hormones can be made by most cells in the body, they were first discovered in semen, thus the term prostaglandin being derived from the prostate. Also, zinc ions are present in semen at levels much higher than found in the blood. About 1% of prostatic fluid is protein. Most human proteins are expressed by the cells of the prostate. Over 150 proteins are expressed at elevated levels in the prostate, and 20 are highly specific to the prostate. These proteins can be expressed inside the cells, on the membranes, or secreted. Prostatic secretions also include prostasomes, small vesicles released by cells into the semen, composed of lipids and proteins. These vesicles can actually fuse to sperm and increase sperm motility, protect from female immune cells, and have antioxidant and antibacterial properties. While most of the epithelial cells are columnar, there are a variety of shapes which may be present, including cuboidal, transitional, and squamous cells. There can be a number of disorders of the prostate gland, ranging from inflammation to cancer. And cancer of the prostate takes the lives of 250,000 men per year and can affect as many as 1 in 6.